Hello, welcome to my video, and today we've got Chevrolet Orlando. I'm going to show you step by step how to change headlight lamp for dim light. Right, as you can see that one of the light is not working. So the first step is easy. You just need to remove the clip which connect the lamp itself. It's easy and you can just pull it out easily. Right, before you do anything, then you need to test the lamp itself. Remember, this is xenon. The original light was halogen light. Alright, so now let's disconnect the light and we just need to run a quick test. Right, we can see that it does work. Bit of smoke, but nothing to worry. Then after that, so we need to remove this waterproof rubber here to get access to the lamp itself inside. This will come out easily as well. Once this is out, there will be a clip which holds the bulb itself. So you need to pinch left and right and the bulb will come out. So this was the halogen light, and we're gonna install the xenon headlight lamp. This is only for dim light, not for full light. You need to put the clip back together because this is what holds the light, and then after that, but as I say, make sure that you run a quick test again. Alright, don't forget to put the waterproof rubber back and connect the wire connection. Right, now we've put everything together. You can see both headlights are working correctly. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.